you something that I don't already know. 'Cause I'm tired of talking, saying stupid things. Why don't you take over? I'll be listening. And your heart was beating faster than cars drive through Montana. Say we're right back there. This is our last show. No more late night TV, no more radio. Been over a year now, you're playing your own shows. I'm dying to hear you on my radio. And your heart was beating faster than cars drive through Montana every night. Now you're just too far from everywhere we been. Everywhere you're going is far away from this. Farther down the ocean from the moon, farther than aquariums from the blues, farther than this night is from all days. And your heart was beating faster than cars drive through Montana every night. Now my heart is beating faster than cars drive through Montana every night. Now our hearts are beating faster than cars drive through Montana.
To guy from the bottomless pit, but my end was made strong by the end.
And iKiva, because one small loan can help a multitude of people around the world, from a small entrepreneur.
iKiva because I believe in sustainable economic development.
iKiva because I believe in the potential of people's hopes and dreams.